welcome to the channel. I am out and about, and I thought I'd give you an interior sound demo of my stereo, which is two L712s in a custom ported box. It's 4.2 cubic feet, and it's running 1900 watts. I also have KS series interior speakers running 300 plus watts. The song is called Fucked Up by a buddy named Reckless, and all rights to the song are his. He owns it, he wrote it, it's his shit, and it's pretty damn dope. Alright, here we go. I'm going to turn it up to about 35 with a half turn on the bass knob, and then when I turn it up again, I'm going to turn it up to 45 out of 65. Here we go.
You know I'm fucked up, fucked up. 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 Yes, I am really stuck. You know I'm fucked up, fucked up. 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 Yes, I am really stuck. Medicated, eyes to the ground, go spin another switch.
Alright, now turn it up.
Run it down, head in the cloud. I'm so behind, never been a touchdown. Get lost to the sound. I box the legs to the town. Turn it on and green by the hound. It's in the party to be blowing on Somali. If you say you don't smoke, better get out now. Set up last song. Headed up high. Never gonna stop. Inhale till I die. Take a back hit from the ball. Christian so strong. See myself staying right by my side. Feeling I'm a fly. For the days. I'm time out with a marijuana blaze. In the limelight, torching up center stage. Other hand on the mic, ripping balls like a play. You know how I do it. This shit's so exclusive. I'm hitting the bonus like it was my music.
And there you go, a nice little interior sound demo. That is with all the windows up. The port is open, and that was about what I usually roll around town at. It's about 45 if I want to irritate the shit out of people. But usually I keep it down around 30. So I don't know. I might include a couple little clips in this. I really don't know. This might be the end of this video. Either way, I'll see you later. Alright, so this is my nephew Simon.
Okay.
He's here visiting from
Vancouver.
Vancouver. He just moved to Vancouver from Alaska, so we'll say Vancouver. He has no experience whatsoever with loud cars, so we're gonna do a little reaction video. Here we go.
This one look like that one. That one matched this one. Fuck it. Money. Money.
Turn that back on. It was a great massage.
Isn't it though?
Yeah.
Straight back to that big crib. Let you roll some.
So what'd you think?
Pretty loud, but again, the massage was great.
Right, dude, those subs really just shake the whole car. It feels amazing. Dude, you should see the roof flex, dude. Let's jump out and see that.
Okay.
Shit, but there's nothing much that they can do when I got a bitch in your city. You should try when you see her. Never tripping on the
Isn't that insane?
Yeah.